Updating your email address on Stripe is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option, usually found in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Settings menu, look for the Email or Email Preferences section. This is where you can manage your email address and notification settings. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and update your email address in the system. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from Stripe. Keeping your contact information up to date is essential for account security and communication.